What's up everyone, John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo here. Ever since Microsoft announced their redesigned Xbox 360, there were immediate comparisons being made in aesthetics to the original PlayStation 3. So I thought it could be fun to sort of take a look at these two consoles and see how they stack up. We'll be doing another video, sort of a more modern hardware to hardware, comparing the Xbox 360, the new version, to the new PS3 Slim with the matte finish. So both consoles and both manufacturers specifically went in very divergent directions when doing their redesigns. Sony, for example, got rid of their sort of shiny piano black with touch-sensitive buttons and went for a slimmer matte version with actually physical buttons. Microsoft went completely the opposite way, and they got rid of their matte console with physical buttons and added a shiny glossy console with touch-sensitive buttons. So let me go ahead and talk about some of these comparisons here. So here we've got the PlayStation 3. It's got touch-sensitive eject and touch-sensitive power. Then the Xbox, on the other hand, has touch-sensitive power button right there, though it still looks like a physical button, doesn't actually depress, and a touch-sensitive eject button. Clearly, both have the sort of shiny dust magnet and fingerprint magnet gloss finish. I think both actually look very nice. I rather prefer the look of the original PlayStation 3 to the redesigned Slim. So from a port standpoint, let's talk about those as well. And I'll plug both of these in. You can hear sort of the noise comparisons of each. Now I recognize this is not new hardware against new hardware. We are going to be doing a comparison again between the new Xbox 360 and the PlayStation Slim. But I just wanted to sort of put these two sort of head to head so you can see them next to each other. So let's look at size and we'll look at some ports. Those sort of stacked up next to each other. The PlayStation 3 packs a lot of power and still does, but all that power and all the Blu-ray-ness takes up a decent amount of space. The PlayStation 3, the original version, is still significantly larger than the redesigned Xbox 360. So from a features and port standpoint, of course you're getting Blu-ray here, standard DVD here, although you are getting 802.11n wireless. Here you're just getting B&G. So from a port standpoint, we've got two USB ports on the front here of the Xbox. If we go ahead and kick this sucker around, we've got a few more ports to discuss. We've got three more USB ports. We've got a Internet or Ethernet in LAN port. There's your auxiliary port, which is going to be for Connect, HDMI, proprietary AV port, optical audio out, and power. And if we turn the PlayStation 3 shiny one back on its caboose, we can see port array there as well. So we have on the PlayStation 3, go ahead and sort of tilt it up just a little bit, proprietary audio video port, optical audio, HDMI, Ethernet, and the power cord. And I should mention that the PlayStation 3 has an internal power source, so there's no power brick needed with the PlayStation 3. Certainly the same is not true with the Xbox. As you guys saw during the unboxing, it's got a very significant brick to it. So let's go ahead and turn these back around. And I'm going to plug each of them in so you can hear the noise. I will tell you that the Xbox is significantly lighter though than the PlayStation 3 shiny version. Let's go ahead and plug these suckers in and see how they sound. Alright, so we got both consoles re-hooked up and plugged in. Let's go ahead and check out the noise. And we have discs in each, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on the PlayStation 3, and we will see how it sounds. So it's on, you can hear the disc spinning. And other than an initial sort of spinning disc, it's a very quiet console. Let's go ahead and turn on the Xbox 360. Sort of get that same whooshing disc sound. Although I will say that when both consoles are on and reading from the disc, the PlayStation is a bit quieter than the new Xbox, if noise is important to you. So anyway guys, just wanted to give you sort of a fun comparison of the two consoles. I know it's not modern hardware against modern hardware, and we will again be doing the PlayStation Slim against the Xbox Slim. But the comparisons as far as aesthetics were inevitable with these two consoles, so I thought it would be fun to sort of put them next to each other. Anyway, I'm John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.